Good morning, student. Welcome back to Gokuldas Public School structured based online classes. Okay, how are you? I hope everyone is fine at home. Okay, today we will start our new chapter number 2. Chapter number 2. As we already completed chapter 1, plant increasing the number. Chapter number 4, houses around us. Then chapter number 3, safety and first aid. Now our new topic, chapter number 2, food and health. Today we will read this chapter and learn about food and health. Okay, student, please open your book, page number 21. Book, page number 21. Dear student, you don't have to write anything. You just listen and understand. Okay? You have to listen and understand. No need to write anything. Open book page number 21. Okay? Chapter 2. I am reading. You also have to read at home along with me. Chapter 2, food and health. Ends. In this lesson, we will read and learn about what we have to read and learn about in this chapter. Importance of a balanced diet. Means what is balanced diet? Then importance of keeping fit. Then protection from common diseases. In this chapter, we will read about importance of a balanced diet. Means what is balanced diet? Then importance of keeping fit, how food keep us healthy and fit. Then how food protect us from common diseases. Okay, all of you know where do we get our food from? All of you know we get our food from plants and animals. है ना? We get our food from plants and animals. Then you must have heard from your elders that health is wealth. This is a good quotation given in your book. Health is wealth. Health is wealth. Means सबसे बड़ा सुख आपकी निरोगी काया है. अगर निरोगी शरीर है तो आप सबसे बड़े धनी हैं. ओके, हेल्थ इज वेल्थ. ओके, अ हेल्दी बॉडी हैज एन हेल्दी माइंड. ओके, so to remain healthy we need to have a balanced diet, regular exercise, enough rest and protection from diseases. Okay, all of you understood this three? What we have to learn in this chapter? What is the aim of this chapter? We have to learn importance of balanced diet, importance of keeping fit, protection from common diseases. Okay, now if we want to remain healthy, what we have to do? We have to focus on which point? To remain healthy, we need to have, okay, to remain healthy, we need to have, what we have? A balanced diet. First, to remain healthy, we should have a balanced diet. Then second, regular exercise. If we want to remain healthy, we have to do regular exercise. Then third one, enough rest. Enough rest means you have to take proper sleep. enough rest. Okay, then fourth one, protection from diseases. Protection from diseases. Okay. To remain healthy, we need to have a balanced diet, a regular exercise, enough rest, and protection from diseases. Underline this line. To remain healthy, we need to have a balanced diet, a regular exercise, enough rest, protection from diseases. Underline this line in your book with pencil. Okay, this is the important line. To remain healthy, one should have a balanced diet, then regular exercise, enough rest, and protection from diseases. A balanced diet. Now, it is given in our book. What do you mean by a balanced diet? First, we have to understand the term nutrients. First, you understand this term nutrient. What are nutrients? Okay. Foods have some special substances are called nutrients. Okay, means these are, what are they? These are carbohydrates, fats, then third one, proteins, fourth one, vitamins, then fifth one, minerals. Okay, means what are nutrients? First, you understand this term. What are nutrients? Mean food having some special substances are called nutrient, and these are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Okay. Now, look at in your book, a balanced diet. All of us need food to stay alive. All of you know why do we eat food? We eat food to stay alive, to get energy for work and play. Okay, to remain healthy. We get protection from food. Okay, all of us need food to stay alive, but it is very important to eat the right kind of food to be healthy. Okay, one should have to eat right kind of a food to remain healthy and fit. Food have some special substances called nutrients. So underline this line. Food have some special substances are called nutrients, and these are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Underline up to vitamins. Our body needs nutrient in order to stay healthy. Why do we need nutrient to stay healthy? Different foods have different nutrients. Different food have different nutrients. So food contains water and roughage which are also needed by our body. Okay, some amount of water and roughage is also needed by water and roughage is also needed by our roughage means salad, okay, which contains fiber is also needed by our body. Roughage means salad which contain fiber which help in our digestion process, okay, which help our food to digest easily. Okay, now all of you understand what are nutrients? Okay, then a balanced diet. The next term is a balanced diet. A balanced diet. A diet that contains essential nutrients. You know the different types of nutrients: carbohydrates, fat, essential nutrients in the desired amount is called a balanced diet. Okay, what do you mean by a balanced diet? A diet that contain essential nutrients. All of you know the nutrients: carbohydrate, fats, vitamins, minerals. Okay, in the desired amount. What is this word mean? Desired means in the right amount. Okay, in a proper amount, in a right amount is called a balanced diet. I am showing picture. Suppose this is plate. Okay, this is your food. Food contains carbohydrates. Okay, then fats, vitamins, proteins, and water and roughage. Okay, means your plate must contain essential nutrients. What are they? Carbohydrate, fats, protein, water and roughage. Okay, this is a proper balanced diet. Means a diet that contain essential nutrients in the desired amount is called a balanced diet. So underline this line in your book. A diet that contains all the essential nutrients in the desired amount. Desired means proper, in a right amount, is called a balanced diet. Now our next topic is how do nutrients help us? Now we will talk about different nutrients. How do nutrients help us? Okay. Pay attention. Carbohydrates are energy giving food. They give us energy to work and play. Some of the food items that contains carbohydrates are sugar, rice, potatoes, wheat and banana, etc. Okay. So first, you know the different types of nutrient. First one is carbohydrate. Okay. Carbohydrate. This is the name of nutrient. Carbohydrate is also known as energy giving food. Means it gives us energy giving food. Okay. It is also known as energy giving food. Carbohydrate provides energy for what? To work and play. Okay. Carbohydrate provide energy to work and play. Then different sources of carbohydrate items. Okay. Food items contain carbohydrates are food items contains carbohydrate are. In which food carbohydrate is present? First, rice, banana, sugar, potato, wheat, etc. Okay. First one is carbohydrate. It is also known as energy giving, means it gives us energy to work and play. It provides us energy to work and play. From where we get carbohydrate? Which food item contain carbohydrate? Rice, banana, sugar, potatoes, wheat, etc. Okay. Pay attention. How do nutrients help us? Carbohydrates are energy giving nutrients. They give us energy to work and play. Some of the food items that contain carbohydrates are sugar, rice, potatoes, wheat and bananas, etc. Now pay attention. Did you know fat give more energy than carbohydrate? Okay. Fat will give more energy than carbohydrate. Fat is also known as energy giving food, but it is more energy giving food than carbohydrate. Okay. Next nutrient is second one, is fat. Second one, fat. Okay. First we will read from the book, then we will understand. Okay. Pay attention at book page number 22. Okay. Page number 22. Book page number 22. Fats. Fats are also energy giving nutrients. They keep our body warm. So some of the food items that contains fats are oil, ghee, butter and nuts, etc. Excess of fat is bad for health. So we should avoid too much of oily food. Okay. Excess of fat is avoided. Okay. It is bad for our health. Okay. So fat. What about fat? It is also known as energy giving food. Okay. Then fats give more energy than carbohydrates. Okay. Fat gives us more energy than carbohydrates. Sources of fat in which food item? Sources of fats in which food item? Fat is present. Ghee, butter, oil, nuts, etc. Okay. And one more important point, fat in too much quantity is not good for our health. So too much of fat is bad for our health. Okay. Second, about fat, it is also known as energy giving food. It gives us more energy than carbohydrates. Sources of fats in which food item? It is present ghee, butter, oil, nuts, eggs, etc. Okay. Too much of fat is bad for our health. Okay. We will become obese, means मोटे हो जाएंगे अगर ज़्यादा हम फैट खाते हैं. तो फैट ज़्यादा हम को यूज़ नहीं करना है. Okay. In a little amount you have to eat. Okay. Then our third nutrient is protein. Okay. About proteins. Okay. Dear student, pay attention in your book. Proteins. Proteins are the body building nutrients and that help the body to grow. Okay, that help the body to grow. They also help in repairing the worn out tissues and cells of the body. Some of the food items rich in nutrients are milk, egg, pulses, fish, cheese and curd, etc. Okay, proteins are known as body building food. Okay, that help the body to grow. They also help in repairing worn out tissue and cells of the body. Some of the food items rich in proteins are milk, egg, pulses, fish, cheese and curd, etc. Okay, children, you are in growing stage, so you have to take more food rich in protein. Okay, diet rich in protein. You have to take diet rich in protein, means you have to eat egg, pulses, cheese, curd, milk. ओके, यू आर इन ग्रोइंग स्टेज, आप बढ़ती उम्र में हो, है ना। और प्रोटीन्स क्या करते हैं, हमारी बॉडी को ग्रो करने में हेल्प करते हैं. सो प्रोटीन्स आर, इट इज ऑल्सो known as body building food. Means it helps in our body to grow. Body building food. Okay. It helps the body to grow. Okay. Then it also help in repairing worn out tissue and cells of the body. Okay. Then sources of proteins. In which food item proteins are present? Sources of proteins: all of you know, egg, fish, pulses, curd, milk. So children, you have to take diet rich in protein. You are in growing stage, so you have to take diet rich in protein. Okay. Once again, it is also known as, protein is also known as body building food. Means it helps our body to grow. Then it also helps in repairing worn out tissues and cells of the body. And sources of proteins are eggs, fish, pulses, curd, cheese, etc. Okay. And different pictures are given in your book, so pay attention. Then vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals are the protective nutrients. They keep the body healthy and free of diseases. Okay, why do we eat fruits and vegetables? Because they protect us from diseases. These are needed in a small quantities only. Fresh fruits and vegetables are good sources of vitamins and minerals. Okay. Fourth one is vitamins and minerals. It is also known as protective nutrients. It is also known as protective nutrients. They keep the body healthy and free of diseases. They help the body to keep healthy and free of diseases. Sources of vitamins and minerals are fresh vegetables and fruits. small quantity. Okay. Okay. Once again, what are minerals and vitamins? They are also known as protective nutrients, and they keep our body healthy and free of diseases. So, what are the sources of vitamins and minerals? We have to take fresh vegetables and fruit in a very small quantity, because they protect us from diseases. They protect us from diseases and keep us healthy and fit. Okay. Dear students, today we have completed. Once again, I am writing the term what we have read today. You have to read chapter . Okay. First we have read about what are nutrients. Okay. Then first aims. In aims, first you have to read. Then second, what are nutrients. Then third, what is a balanced diet. Then fourth topic is how do nutrient help us. Okay. Then different type of nutrients, about different nutrients. About carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. In short, I am revising once again this term. In aim, you have read and learn about importance of a balanced diet, then importance of keeping fit and protection from common diseases. Then second term is nutrient. Okay, what are nutrients? Food having some special substances are called nutrients. Then a balanced diet, about balanced diet, a diet that contains all the essential nutrients in the right amount, in the desired amount, is called a balanced diet. Then how do nutrients help us? We have read about carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is also known as energy giving food. Okay, they give us energy to work and play. They provide us energy to work and play. Sources of carbohydrates are rice, sugar, bananas, potato, etc. Fat is also known as energy giving food, but fat give more energy than carbohydrate, and fat help us help to keep our body warm. Okay. Sources of fats are butter, ghee, oil, etc. Okay. Proteins are known as body building food, means they help our body to grow. Okay. They also help in repairing worn out tissues and cells of the body. You know the sources of proteins. What are the sources of protein? Cheese, curd, milk, egg, pulses are the sources of proteins. Vitamins and minerals are also known as protective nutrients. Sources of vitamins and minerals are fresh vegetables and fruits. Okay. You have to take very small quantity of this vitamins and minerals, means you have to take very small quantity. They protect us from diseases and to remain healthy. Okay, dear student, till Vitamins and minerals we have finished this chapter. You have to read this chapter once again from starting till vitamins and minerals, and learn the important definitions about nutrient and a balanced diet. Okay, dear student, goodbye, take care, have a nice day, stay home, stay safe, and do your work properly. Take care of yourself. Bye.